Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the KEMIMOTO Orange Boat Flag, a must-have for water enthusiasts. This versatile flag is perfect for swimmers, surfers, and skiers, featuring a sturdy aluminum alligator mount that easily attaches to your boat, ensuring the flag remains upright and steady even while surfing. With a 360-degree adjustable and telescopic flagpole, you can extend it from 11.8 inches to 48 inches, allowing for maximum visibility and hands-free operation. The package includes 2 vibrant orange safety flags, a flagpole, a boat flag pole mount, a gasket, 6 plastic cable ties, and a pair of scissors, making it a comprehensive kit for any adventure. Crafted from durable 420D polyester, the flag is tear-resistant and fade-resistant, meeting safety requirements and ensuring long-lasting use. Whether you're boating, kayaking, biking, or wakeboarding, this flag enhances visibility and safety in any activity. So, gear up with the KEMIMOTO Orange Boat Flag and enjoy your water adventures with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.